What is the average blood pressure of human beings? A 120 by 80, B 140/90, C 180 by 100 of Hg. Answer A 120 by 80. Number 2. What is the smallest bone in the body? A incus, B malleus, C stapes. Answer C stapes, located in the middle ear. Number 3, what is the biggest bone in the body? A femur, B tibia, C fibula. Answer is A femur. The picture is on the right. Number 4, which body part is affected in diseases? Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. A eyes, B muscles, C brain. Answer C brain. Number 5. How many times does the human heart beat per minute? A 60 beats per minute, B 72 beats per minute, C 80 beats per minute. Answer is B 72 beats per minute. Number 6. What is the function of the pancreas? A insulin production, B bile production, C peristalsis. Answer is insulin production. Number 7. What is the function of the thyroid gland? A. Metabolism, B. Coordination, C. Blood pressure. Answer is metabolism, managing the metabolic rate of the body, that is. Question number 8. What is the function of the lymphatic system? A. Nutrient transportation, B. Supporting immune system and absorbing fat, C. Maintaining blood pressure. Answer is B. Number 9. What is the function of the gallbladder? A. Producing bile, B. Storing bile, C. Maintain blood sugar. Answer is B. Storing bile. Number 10. Where does the digestion of the food start in human body? A. Intestine, B. Stomach, C. Mouth. The right answer is the digestion actually starts in the mouth, because in the saliva there is the salivary amylase or ptyalin. 11. Total number of bones in human face. A. 10 bones, B. 12 bones, C. 14 bones. Answer C. 14. 12. Total number of bones in human head. A. 22 bones, B. 11 bones, C. 33 bones. Answer is A. 22 bones. I hope it's clear here. And number 13, what is the total amount of blood in human body? A. 5 liters, B. 4 liters, C. 3 liters. Answer is A. 5 liters. Number 14, what is the number of cranial nerves in human body? A. 12 pair, B. 11 pair, C. 10 pair. Answer equal to 12 pair, hence 24 in number. So there are 24 cranial nerves, 12 on the right and 12 on the left, hence 12 pairs. 15. What is the largest muscle of human body? A. Pectoral, B. Quadriceps, C. Gluteus maximus. Answer is gluteus maximus. Question 16. What is the strongest muscle in human body? A. Pectoral, B. Masseter, C. Pectoral. Okay, B is the masseter or the jaw muscle, the one that is, I've given the picture, I hope it's clear. There the jaw muscle present at the side of our mouth in the facial bone structure is the strongest muscle. Question 7. What are the bones of the axial skeleton? A. Rib cage, B. Skull, C. Vertebrae, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 18. What are the lifespan of WBC? A. 13 to 20 days, B. 20 to 40 days, C. 40 to 60 days. Answer is A. 13 to 20 days. Hence the thing is, I hope another thing is, the axial skeleton is given on the right side. You can check the diagram. Question 18. What are villi found in body, human body? A. Small intestine. B. Large intestine. C. Stomach. Answer A. Small intestine. Picture is given. 19. Saliva breaks down the starch in food into disaccharide, maltose with enzyme. A. Tyline. B. Pepsin. C. Trypsin. Answer is tyline, which is present in saliva. It's the amylase, the salivary amylase, where the digestion starts in mouth as a result. 20. Where does the gaseous exchange in lung take place? A. Villi. B. Alveoli. C. Mesentery. D. Peritoneum. B. Alveoli is the answer. Question 20. Where are red blood cells mainly created? In A. Pancreas. B. Bone marrow. C. Thymus. Answer B is bone marrow. I hope, guys, the diagrammatic, you could take a screenshot of the diagrams, because I've tried to find the proper diagram with the proper markings on it for a better representation. Question 22. What organ anchors intestine to the abdominal wall? A. Mesentery. B. Pericardium. C. Appendix. Answer A. Mesentery. Question 23. The kind of joint your shoulder is? A. Ball and socket. B. Pivot joint. C. Hinge joint. So the correct answer to this question is A. Ball and socket joint. The shoulder joint, it's like one part looks like a ball, another one fits into a socket. Question 24. Which organ controls the thermoregulation in humans? A. Hypothalamus. B. Lungs. C. Cerebellum. D. All of the above. Answer A. Hypothalamus. Question 25. Which hormone is primarily secreted by the thymus gland? A. Melatonin. B. Thymoxine. C. Thyroxine. Answer B. Thymosin. Yeah, I probably pronounced it wrong. Number B would be thymosin and C is thyroxine. 26. What is the largest endocrine gland in human body? A. Pituitary. B. Pineal. C. Thyroid. D. Pancreas. Answer is C. Thyroid, largest endocrine gland. 27. The gland in human which secretes both hormone and enzymes. A. Pancreas. B. Thyroid. C. Adrenal. Answer A is pancreas. Pancreas secretes both hormones and enzymes. 28. What are the number of bones in human hands? Answer A 27. Answer B 15. C 35. D all of the above. Answer A is 27. Diagram is given on the right. Please take a screenshot if you want. 29. Name the cartilage based at the top of voice box at the back of the tongue. A. Epiglottis. B. Villi. C. Peritoneum. Answer A. Epiglottis. 30. What is the volume of urine adult human excretes per day? A. 2 to 4 liters. B. 1 to 1.8 liters. C. 3 to 5 liters. Answer is B. 1 to 1.8 liters. 30. What is the structural and functional unit of kidney? A. Nephron. B. Lysosome. C. Mitochondria. The answer to this question is nephron. The whole unit of nephron is given in diagrams on the right. 32. The number of teeth that develop twice in human life. A 20. B 15. C 16. D 22. Answer is A 20. 33. The total number of bones in human adult. A 300. B 206. C 108. Answer is 206. We are born with 300 bones, but then it fuses and after ossification it's 206. 34. The number of bones in newborn human baby. A 206. B 300. C 309. D 112. Answer is 300. I've given this already. 35. The gland that secretes melatonin. A parathyroid. B pineal gland. C pituitary gland. Melatonin, remember, it's the pineal gland. B, which helps in falling asleep. Melatonin is a naturally secreted hormone. 36. What is the weight of the heart of a human being? A 220 grams. B 300 grams. C 350 grams. Answer is 300 grams. 37. Which of the following gland controls blood pressure? A. Adrenal. B. Pancreas. C. Thyroid. Answer A. Adrenal. Okay. 38. What is the pH value of blood? A. 7.4. B. 8. C. 6.8. D. All of the above. Answer A. 7.4. 39. Which organ is the burial ground of RBC as it disposes of dead RBC? A. Spleen. B. is peritoneum. C. is thymus. The answer is spleen. It's in the spleen where the breakdown of the red blood cell happens, and hence the burial ground. 40. The instrument that measures the blood pressure is A. sphygmomanometer. B. thermometer. C. stethoscope. Answer is obviously sphygmomanometer. Thermometer is for temperature. Stethoscope is what the doctors use to auscultate a patient. 41. The human cells that secrete androgen hormones: A. Leydig cells. B. osteocytes. C. beta cells. The answer to that question is A. Leydig cells. Question 42. What are the control center of reflex action? A. in the spinal cord. B. in cerebrum. C. in cerebellum. Answer A. in the spinal cord. Question 43. The hormone that controls the amount of urine excreted by kidney: A. thyroxine. B. ADH and anti-ADH, and C. TSH. Answer is B. antidiuretic hormone. Question 44. Who discovered blood groups? A. Carl Landsteiner. B. J. Presley. C. A. Lavoisier. Answer is A. Carl Landsteiner. 45. What is the fluid secreted by new mothers just after giving birth? A. insulin. B. colostrum. C. melatonin. The answer is colostrum. Colostrum is a yellowish colored fluid. It's the first part of the milk that mothers produce, which creates immunity. 46. What is the average blood flow through kidney per minute? A. 1200 cc. B. 1500 cc. C. 3500 cc. Answer is A. 1200 cc. 47. Which organ synthesize urea? A. liver. B. spleen. C. lung. Answer to that question is obviously liver. Liver is the largest organ, internal organ of the humans as well. 48. What is the hardest part of human body? A. tooth enamel. B. tooth dentin. C. is vomer. It's a part of the nasal bone complex. A. Answer is tooth enamel. 49. Which blood vessels carry oxygenated blood from lungs to heart? A. pulmonary vein. B. pulmonary artery. C. superior vena cava. Answer is A. pulmonary vein. It's a complex question. It's a pulmonary vein which carries oxygenated blood. 50. What is the center for memory and intelligence in human brain? A. is cerebrum. B. cerebellum. C. is hypothalamus. Answer to that is A. cerebrum. Question 51. The thin sheet of muscle that separate thorax and abdomen. Answer A. diaphragm. B. intercostal muscles. And C. pectoralis. The answer is diaphragm, which separates thorax and abdomen. 52. The primary function of RBC: A. oxygen transportation. B. hormone production. C. peristalsis. Answer is A. oxygen transportation. 53. Which part of the brain regulates heartbeat and breathing? A. medulla oblongata. B. cerebellum. C. cerebrum. Answer to this is the medulla oblongata. I hope it's visible in the diagram right at the inferior surface of the brain. 54. Which hormone regulates blood sugar? A. insulin. B. thyroxine. C. FSH. Answer is insulin. Easy. 55. Which part of pancreas secrete insulin in body? A. beta cells of islets of Langerhans. A. B. is alpha cells. C. all of the above. Answer A. beta cells of the islets of Langerhans. And it's because of this that there is another hormone that is secreted here, is called glucagon as well, along with insulin. 56. The primary function of the small intestine is A. Digestion, B. Nutrient absorption, C. Secreting pepsin. Answer is B. Nutrient absorption. Which is termed the master gland of the endocrine system of human body? A. Pineal gland, B. The answer is obviously answer B, pituitary gland. 58. What are the voluntary muscles of human body? A. Cardiac muscles, B. Involuntary muscles, C. Skeletal muscles. Answer is C. Skeletal muscles. 59. Which of the following are part of the circulatory system? A. Blood vessels, B. Heart, C. Blood, and D. All of the above. So the answer to this is the blood vessels, heart, blood, all of the above is the correct answer. On the right, I have given a circulatory system diagram. Check it out. 60. Which of the following are part of the digestive system? A. Stomach, B. Liver, C. Large intestine, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 61. What is the function of the afferent neurons of the peripheral nervous system? A. Neurotransmitter secretion, B. Transmitting sensory information from receptors to central nervous system, C. Sending commands from CNS to the muscle. Answer is B. 62. What connects the lungs to the external environment? A. Trachea, B. Gallbladder, C. Duodenum. Answer D. All of the above. Answer A. Trachea. 63. What is the vestigial part of human skeleton? A. Coccyx, B. Cranium, C. Femur. Answer is A. Coccyx. It is the last part or the tailbone which has actually become miniaturized and is not being used in humans and hence a vestigial organ. 64. What is the study of human population called? A. Demography, B. Geography, C. History, D. Geology. Answer is A. Demography. 65. What helps locomotion of the sperm? Flagella, A. Flagella, B. Cilia, C. Nucleus. Answer is A. Flagella, which is near the tail, which helps in the locomotion of the sperm in humans. 66. What is the innermost layer of human eye? Answer A. Retina, B. Cornea, C. Villi, D. Optic nerve. Answer is A. Retina. 67. In humans, the sphincter of Oddi is associated with A. Hepatopancreatic ampulla of duodenum, B. Hepatic duct, C. Choroid. Answer is hepatopancreatic ampulla. It's basically connecting the liver and the pancreas. It's somewhere the name suggests. 68. What does cholecystokinin do? A. Stimulates gallbladder, B. Liver, C. Large intestine, D. All of the above. Answer A. Stimulates gallbladder in production of the bile. 69. Average pH of urine. A. 6, B. 7, C. 8. Answer is A. 6. Slightly acidic. The human urine is slightly acidic, not completely truly acidic, like very acidic, slightly acidic. 70. Where is Henle's loop located? A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Large intestine, D. All of the above. Answer is B. Kidney. It's in the nephron that conducts the urine. 71. What is Bowman's capsule? A. Cap-like sac at the tubular component of nephron, B. U-like tube in nephron, C. in the lung. Answer is A. Cap-like sac at the tubular component of nephron. 72. What are the types of teeth present? Answer A. 3, B. 4, C. 5. Answer all of the above. Answer is B. 4. Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. In adults, premolar is not present, otherwise in kids. 73. Name the structure that closes the internal nares during the swallowing of food. A. Pharynx. B. Larynx. C. Uvula. Answer is uvula. I've given a very clear picture. I hope in the middle that is the uvula. 74. What is the other name of esophagus? A. Foot pipe. B. Windpipe. C. Voice box. Answer is foot pipe. 75. What does the esophagus connect? A. Throat to stomach. B. Mouth to throat. C. Large intestine. Answer A. Throat to stomach. Exactly. The esophagus or the food pipe is basically from the mouth to the stomach, like basically back of the mouth, that is throat to stomach is esophagus. 76. The inner mucosa of stomach in ray is raised into large number of folds. A. Villi. B. Rugae. C. Veins. Answer is B. Rugae. The internal folds of stomach is rugae. 77. Which hormone help in secretion of HCl in stomach? A. Gastrin. B. Pepsin. C. Trypsin. Answer is A. Gastrin. It's this gastrin which helps in the digestion in the stomach. It starts is gastrin. 78. Which of the following are parts of large intestine? A. Cecum. B. Appendix. C. Colon. D. Rectum. E. Anal canal. F. All of the above. And answer is F. All of the above. 79. Which of the following are parts of the small intestine? Answer A. Duodenum. B. Jejunum. C. Ileum. Answer D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. It's a very comprehensive. You could just learn the names and that could help with other questions. What prevents regurgitation of food from stomach? A. Cardiac sphincter. B. The villi. C. Choroid. The upper part of the stomach, there is which connects with the esophagus. There is the sphincter called cardiac sphincter, which prevents the regurgitation of the food in the stomach towards the esophagus. And when it does not close properly, we have something called GERD, gastroesophageal situation, that happens, that people just tend to vomit a lot. 81. Which membrane encloses our lungs? A. Peritoneum. B. Pleural movement. C. Pericardium. Answer is B. Pleural movement. 82. What organ contains bundle of his? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Lung. Answer is A. Heart. The bundle of C, his, is. It's a very important question. By the way, I've given the diagram of the heart on the right side. You could check that out taking a screenshot. 83. Which of the following joints are immovable? A. Hinge joint. B. Fibrous joint. C. Ball and socket joint. Shoulder is ball and socket. Remember, answer is B. Fibrous joint, which is present in the sutures of the cranium. By the way, 84. Where does the heartbeat originate from? A. AC node. B. Papillary muscle. C. AV node. The answer to this is AC node. And this is also another heart related very important questions. 85. What does the middle portion of the human sperm contain? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Cilia. And all of the above. Answer is the mitochondria. It's the mitochondria that generates the energy, and the flagellum that is present at the tail end, which helps in the movement of this whole human sperm towards the ova. That's what I can see. Like it's evident here in the diagram. 86. Where is the deltoid ridge present in human body? Please follow the diagrams. A. Humerus. B. Radius. C. Ulna. All of the above. It's A. Answer humerus. It's in the hand, at the upper part of the hand. 87. Where is the deltoid muscle present? A. Shoulder. So it's a ridge, another one is a muscle. It's a muscle attaches to it, by the way. Anyways, A. Shoulder. B. Leg. C. Thorax. Answer is shoulder. 88. What is the name of the balancing organ of the ear called? A. Vestibular apparatus. B. Cornea. C. Retina. Answer D is all of the above. The answer to this is the vestibular apparatus. I hope it's visible, guys. Please, you could just take a screenshot and read it after you get over with the lesson. 89. Which of the following diseases are viral in origin? A. Polio. B. Tuberculosis. C. Blood vessels. D. All of the above. Answer is A. Polio. 90. What is the connective tissue that joins muscle to the bone? A. Tendons. B. Ligaments. C. Cilia. Answer is A. Tendon. There are two things. One is muscle to bone, another one is bone to bone. So the tendons attach muscle to bone. Next is the what which connective tissue connect bones to other bones, as I was saying already. A is a ligament, B is a tendon, C is a cilia, and all of the above. So these two are very important conceptual question. Answer is ligament. The ligament is joining two bones together. It's a connective tissue as well, and a muscle and a bone together are uh, the tendons that joins a muscle and a bone together. Remember that. 92. What type of cartilage is in the knee? The total anatomy is given on the right. Check it. A. Hyaline. B. Meniscus. C. Fibrous. D. All of the above. Okay, the answer to this, in case of knee, it's meniscus. The cartilage that is present in the knee, it's called meniscus. The fibrous cartilage is essentially it's not in a movable joint situation that will have fibrous cartilage. 93. Which of the following are the cartilage found in human body? A. Hyaline cartilage. B. Fibrocartilage. C. Elastic cartilage. Answer D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 94. What is the most common type of cartilage found at the articular end of the bone? Answer A. Fibrocartilage. B. Hyaline cartilage. C. Peristalsis. The articular end of the bone. Remember, answer is B. Hyaline cartilage. 95. The freely movable joint characterized by fluid filled cavity between articulating bones. A. Synovial joint. B. Fibrous joint. C. Cartilaginous joint. D. All of the above. The answer is very simple. Synovial joint. There is a synovial fluid present which helps in the free movement of the joint. 96. What is the inner ear fluid that helps you hear and maintain your balance? A. Endolymph. B. Exolymph. C. Colostrum. D. All of the above. Answer is endolymph. Guys, I've given a detailed diagram on the right. If possible, take a screenshot. Yeah, that can really help you, by the way. 97. What are the fluid filled sacs primarily found near joints that act as cushion and reduces friction? A. Bursae. B. Ligament. And C. Cartilage. Remember, the fluid filled sacs, not connective tissue directly, but it helps in cushioning. Answer is Bursae. I felt this could be important, hence I've added. 98. Which of the following are saddle joints? A. Carpo-metacarpal joint. B. Sternoclavicular joint. C. Inciso-malleolar joint. Answer A. D. All of the above. The answer is saddle joint are all of the above joint, where it looks like it's a synovial joint where the articulating surface of the two bones, they glide like a saddle and a rider. 99. A continuous network of connective tissue that surrounds and supports muscles, organs, bones throughout the body. A. Diaphragm. B. Fascia. C. Pectoralis. D. All of the above. The answer is B. Fascia. 100. What is the snail shaped organ that's fluid filled and helps to hear? Answer A. Cochlea. B. Choroid. C. Stapes. Answer A. Cochlea. And 101. What is the wave like muscle contraction of esophagus that pushes food to the stomach? Answer A. Insulin. B. Peristalsis. C. Deltoid. Answer all of the above. D. B is peristalsis is correct answer. 102. Where does the protein digestion start and mixture of the food starts? A. Liver. B. Stomach. C. Lung. Answer is B. Stomach. 103. What helps in the emulsification of fats? A. Bile. B. Pepsin. C. Tyline. Answer D. All of the above. Answer A. Bile. 104. What does the parietal or oxyntic cell secrete? A. HCl intrinsic factor. B. Extrinsic factor. C. Trypsin. Answer A. HCl intrinsic factor. That's what the oxyntic cell or it's basically in the stomach it secretes. 105. Which deficiency causes pernicious anemia? A. Iron. B. B12. C. B3. D. All of the above. Answer is B. B12. 106. What does the goblet cells of gastric peat do? Answer A. Mucus protects the gastric lining. B. Gastrin. C. Pepsinogen. A. Mucus protecting the gastric lining. That's what the goblet cells do. A. 107. What causes cretinism? Answer A is hypothyroidism. B. Hyperthyroidism. C. Pituitary. D. All of the above. Answer to this is hypothyroidism. Obviously, cretinism is basically when your size is short and also your IQ is like hypothyroid. I mean, in like hypo causes IQ issues in humans. 108. What are the types of vertebrae in the human vertebral column? A. Cervical 7. B. Thoracic 12. C. Lumbar 5. D. Sacral 5. E. Coccygeal 4. F. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. Now you know the cervical has 7, thoracic has 12. Do remember the number of vertebrae in each of the segments as well. They can come individually. 109. What is the number of vertebrae in humans? A. 33. B. 22. C. 11. D. All of the above. Answer A. 33. 110. Which of the following constitute axial skeleton? A. Skull. B. Rib. Sternum. C. Vertebrae. D. All of the above. The axial skeleton is formed by all of the above. It's D. Skull, rib, sternum, and also the vertebrae. Sternum is the breastbone. 111. What constitutes the appendicular skeleton? Guys, I've given the appendicular and axial skeleton. A. Limbs. B. Girdle. C. All of the above. Answer C. All of the above has 126 bone out of the 206 bones in human body. Exactly. So guys, you could check out the diagrams of both the axial and appendicular skeleton on the right. I hope that will help you in your memorizing process. 112. Which part of the eye is responsible for focusing the light onto the retina? A. Cornea. B. Sclera. C. Lens. D. All of the above. Answer is C. Lens. 112. What is the most important function of the skeletal system? Answer is A. Digestion. B. Excretion. C. Movement, locomotion. Answer is C. Movement and locomotion. The skeletal system helps in locomotion of human body. 114. What is the kind of muscles found in the visceral organs like small intestine? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Endothelial muscle. D. All of the above. Answer is smooth muscle. Endothelial muscles are the inner lining of the blood vessels, are called endothelial muscles. 115, endothelium rather. 115, what are the functions of semicircular canals of the inner ear? A, balance and spatial orientation. B, hearing. C, vision. Answer is A, balance and spatial orientation. 116, which of the following gland helps with immune function? A, thymus. B, thyroid. C, pancreas. And D, all of the above. Answer is A, thymus gland, which helps in uh, immune regulation by producing the T lymphocytes. That's a very important thing. Mention the T lymphocytes. What does the thymus produce? Apart from the thymosin is T lymphocyte. 117, which of the following are the central nervous system? A, brain. B, spinal cord. C, all of the above. Answer to this is all of the above. That is, the central nervous system is constituted by the brain and the spinal cord. Yeah, I hope the diagram depicts itself pretty decently. I hope you find it valuable. Right, next question. 118, name the structure that connects kidney to the urinary bladder. A, ureter. B, urethra. C, trachea. All of the above. The answer to this is ureter. Of course, the bladder is the big yellowish thing. The urethra is down. The ureter is connecting this yellowish tubes that are connecting the kidney to that big balloon like thing in the lower part. They are the ureters. I hope it's clear, guys. 119, what is the function of the integumentary system? A, regulates body temperature. B, vitamin D production. C, sensation. Answer D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 120, which of the following connects the two hemispheres of the brain? A, cerebrum. B, cerebellum. C, corpus callosum. D, all of the above. Answer is the corpus callosum. It's the corpus callosum which connects the right and left hemispheres of brain. 121, what are the parts of human brain? A, cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, and all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. 122, what is the largest part of human brain? A, cerebrum. B, cerebellum. C, pancreas gland. D, all of the above. So between pancreas is a different thing altogether. Answer is cerebrum. Between cerebrum and cerebellum, amongst the options, it was cerebrum. Actually, it's the cerebrum is the largest part of the human brain. 123, what are the fundamental units of nervous system that transmits information through electrical and chemical signals? A, thymus gland. B, thyroid gland. C, pancreas. D, all of the above. The most, it's already there, probably once I've given it already. Thymus produces the T lymphocytes. Just remember, the T lymphocytes are produced by the thymus. Okay. 124, which part of the skeleton is termed as the protective helmet or covering the brain? A, cranium. B, spleen. C, peristalsis. D, all of the above. Answer is A, cranium. It's the cranium which covers the brain like a helmet, forms a protective covering or protective barrier on the brain like a helmet, and hence the name. 125, what is the scientific name for the study of tissue? Answer A, demography. B, hematology. C, histology. D, all of the above. Answer is histology. 126, what is the study of the structure of human body called? A, human anatomy. B, human physiology. C, histology. D, all of the above. The answer is the study of the structure of human body is human anatomy, which includes everything in the physical body. 27, which of the following are the vestigial organ of human body? A, wisdom teeth. B, tailbone. C, appendix. D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. 128, Which of the following are the fibrous joint in human body? A. Shoulder joint. B. Elbow joint. C. Sutures of the skull. Answer D. All of the above. Answer is sutures of the skull at the fibrous joint. 129. Which of the following structure has got alternate light and dark bands? A. Choroid. B. Muscle fibers. C. Sarcoidosis. Answer D. All of the above. Answer is B. Correct answer is muscle fibers. 130. Which organ in human female produce eggs and female sex hormone? A. Ovary. B. Fallopian tube. C. Uterus. D. All of the above. Answer is ovary. Okay, like the picture is here. 131. Which organ secretes LH, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, gonadotropin? A. Pituitary anterior. B. Thyroid. C. Pancreas. D. All of the above. Answer is A. Pituitary anterior. 132. Which hormone triggers ovulation, egg release in human females? A. Insulin. B. LH or luteinizing hormone. B. C. Follicle stimulating hormone. D. All of the above. Answer is luteinizing hormone. 133. Name the part that connects the uterus with the vagina. A. The fallopian tube. B. Pleura is found around the lungs, so no connection here. C is the cervix. Answer D is all of the above. The right answer is the cervix. I've given the total diagram. It's visible there that the uterus and the vagina is connected by the cervix. 134. What are the two stages of menstrual cycle? A. Follicular and luteal. B. Hematology and histology. C. Peristalsis. D. All of the above. Answer A. Follicular and luteal. 135. Which part of the uterus sheds during menstrual cycle? A. Endothelium. A. Endometrium. B. Endothelium. C. Endolymph. D. All of the above. Answer to this is A. Endometrium that sheds during menstrual cycle. 136. Which gland produces tear in humans? A. Lacrimal. B. Ceruminal. C. Salivary. D. All of the above. Answer is the lacrimal gland. 137. What gland produces their secretion through ducts on epithelial surfaces? A. Exocrine. B. Endocrine. C. All of the above. Answer to that is exocrine. This gland produces its secretion on the epithelial surface. 138. Which of the following are exocrine glands? A. Mammary. B. Lacrimal. C. Salivary. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 139. What are the largest and smallest exocrine glands? A. Liver and goblet cells. B. Pancreas and small intestine. C. Thyroid and thymus. D. All of the above. Answer is A. Liver and the goblet cell are the largest and smallest exocrine glands respectively. 140. Which is the smallest organ in human? A. Pineal gland. B. Liver. C. Skin. D. All of the above. Answer is A. Pineal gland. I've given the picture. 141. Which of the following is the largest organ in human body? A. Skin. B. Liver. C. Stapes. D. All of the above. Answer is A. Skin. Second largest is liver, or the largest internal or visceral organ is liver. Okay. 142. Which is the fifth size organ of the humans? Answer A. Heart. B. Spleen. C. Lung. D. All of the above. Answer is A. Heart. 143. What is the heaviest internal organ of human body? A. Liver. B. Spleen. C. Thyroid. D. All of the above. Answer is liver. As I said, it's the largest internal organ, also the heaviest internal organ of the human body is liver. 144. Why is urine salty? A. Contains a variety of dissolved salts, sodium, potassium, filtered by the kidney. B. Because of bilirubin. C. All of the above. Answer is A. 145. Polydipsia, polyuria, polyphagia. These three symptoms are of which thing. A, diabetes mellitus. B, PCOS. C, cretinism. C, all of the above. Answer is A, diabetes. Guys, if you're interested in the diseases of humans, I will tag another video which I've made in the description. 146, acromegaly and gigantism occurs due to hypersecretion of A, growth hormone. B, TSH. C, LH. FSH. D, all of the above. Answer is growth hormone. 147, which apocrine gland produces earwax or cerumen? A, ceruminous. B, pineal. C, sebaceous. D, all of the above. The answer is the ceruminous gland. It's the gland in the inner ear which helps in production of earwax and it protects the ear. 148, what are the type of sweat glands primarily on the soles and palms that produces watery sweat for thermoregulation? Answer A, option eccrine gland. B, sebaceous gland. C, pineal. D, all of the above. Answer is A, eccrine gland. 149, pellagra is a deficiency of which vitamin? A, niacin. B3, B, thiamine. B1, C, folate. D, all of the above. Answer is B3, niacin. Deficiency pellagra causes. 150, which blood group is known as the universal donor? A, group O negative. B, group A negative. C, group AB. D, all of the above. And answer is A, group O negative. 151, what, name the valves that separate right atrium to ventricle? Right atrium and ventricle on the right and the left is A, tricuspid and bicuspid, that the mitral valves. B, inferior vena cava. C, hypothalamus. D, all of the above. It's the atrium on the both sides are separated from the atrium and ventriculum on the left by, on the right it's a tricuspid, left is bicuspid or mitral. 152, which vessels carry deoxygenated blood from heart to lung? A, pulmonary artery. B, pulmonary vein. C, superior vena cava. D, all of the above. Answer is pulmonary artery. 153, which muscle layer the right and left side chamber of the heart? A, septum. B, sternum. C, histology. D, all of the above. The answer is septum, which separates the right and left side of the heart. 154, how many chambers are there in human heart? I've tried to give you a detailed a bigger picture. It has got the answer question. So options are A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, all of the above. The answer is C, 4, 2 atria, 2 ventricle. The right atria and right ventricle are separated by the tricuspid. The left are separated by the bicuspid or the mitral valve. 5155, which chamber of heart received the blood? A, atrium. B, ventricle. C, histology. D, all of the above. Answer A, atrium. It's the atrium that receives, mostly it receives the blood, one oxygenated, one deoxygenated, and the ventricle which pumps the blood to either rest of the body or to the lungs in order for it to get oxygenated. Okay, next question. 156, what are the largest artery? What is the largest artery of the human body? A, aorta. B, aortic arch. C, renal artery. D, all of the above. Answer A is aorta. 157, what is the largest vein of the human body? A, inferior vena cava. B, superior vena cava. C, pulmonary veins. D, all of the above. Answer is A, inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava is the largest vein. It's like running almost through and through in the thorax and abdomen. 158, what is the smallest vein in human body? A, venules. B, capillaries. C, pleura. D, all of the above. Answer is A, venules. 159, what is the main artery of the leg? I've given the diagram. A, femoral artery. B, radial artery, it's in the hand. Aorta, we already know. D, all of the above. Answer is femoral artery. I've tried to give a detail, it's in the thigh, and I've tried to give a detailed diagram of it. 160, what is the second heart of the human body? A, calf or soleus muscles, B, gluteus muscles, C, deltoid muscles, D, all of the above. Answer is A, calf or soleus muscles. 161. Which is the longest organ in human body? A, small intestine, B, skin, C, brain, D, all of the above. Answer is A, small intestine. Yeah, the small intestine is basically the longest organ. 162. What is the merocrine gland in human body? A, salivary, B, pancreatic gland, C, all of the above. Answer is C, all of the above. 163. What is the lowest part of the brain? A, medulla oblongata, B, cerebellum, C, corpus callosum, D, all of the above. Answer is A, medulla oblongata. Yeah, medulla oblongata, I've given the diagram as a result, is the lowest part of our brain before it enters the spinal cord. 64. Which of the following are the parts of integumentary system? A, nail, B, skin, C, hair and glands that supports it, D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 165. What is the color of the brain? A, pinkish gray, B, white, C, brown, D, all of the above. Answer is a pinkish gray. The human brain in reality is a little pinkish grayish in color. 166. What is the softest bone of human body? A, clavicle or collarbone, B, sternum, C, patella, it's in the knee. Answer is D, D, all of the above. Answer is A, clavicle or collarbone. 167. What is the part of the called little brain? A, cerebellum, B, liver, C, stomach, D, all of the above. Answer is A, cerebellum. The cerebellum is called the little brain. 168. Where is blood primarily made in body? A, blood vessels, B, bone marrow, C, lungs, D, all of the above. The answer is B, bone marrow. 169. What is the body part responsible for blood formation? A, hematopoietic system, B, pancreas, C, thyroid, D, all of the above. Answer is the hematopoietic system, the bone marrow, liver, spleen. 170. What is the most vascular organ of human body? A, liver, B, spleen, C, eye, all of the above. Answer is A, liver. 171. Which organ of the body never rests? A, heart, B, liver, C, lung, D, all of the above. Answer is the heart. Of course, if the heart rests, then you know what the result is. So the heart is the only muscle which never rests till death. It just keeps on working. 172. Which of the following organ are alive even after death? Is skin, tendon, B, cornea, C, heart valve, D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 173. Which of the following is the smallest nerve in human body? A, trochlear cranial nerve, number 4, B, trigeminal nerve, C, facial nerve, D, all of the above. The answer is A, trochlear nerve, that is cranial nerve number 4. Next question. 174. Which organ does not feel any pain if pricked with a pin? Painless organ. A, heart, B, brain, C, liver, D, all of the above. Answer is B, brain. 175. Which of the following is the largest gland in humans? A, liver, B, spleen, C, thyroid, D, all of the above. Answer A, liver secretes the bile, and it's the largest gland. 176. Which is the most hardworking muscle in the body? A, heart, B, liver, C, spleen, D, all of the above. Answer is A, heart. 177. Which is the smallest muscle in body? A, stapedius, B, gluteus, C, glottis, D, all of the above. Answer is A, stapedius. The stapedius, it's in the middle ear, which is the smallest muscle attached to stapes bone. 178. Which of the following hormones are produced by adrenal gland? A, aldosterone, B, cortisol, C, androgen, estrogen, D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. 179. What percent of the adult human body is made up of muscles? A 40 to 50%, B 10 to 30%, C 20 to 40%, answer D all of the above. Answer is A 40 to 50% is made up of muscles in humans. 180, which of the following items the function of skeletal system? A locomotion, B protecting inner organs, C supporting important organs, D all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 181, which of the following is called funny bone? A humerus, B radius, C femur, D is ulnar nerve. Answer is D ulnar nerve. Compression causes a tingling, painful, funny sensation, so its funny bone is a nerve actually. 182, which of the following part of the brain is involved in processing sensory information? A thalamus, B hypothalamus, C cerebellum, D all of the above. Answer is A thalamus. 183, which bone is the largest and strongest bone of the face? A maxilla, B mandible, C zygomatic, D sacral. Answer is B mandible. Exactly, the lower jaw bone is the largest and strongest bone. 184, which bone forms the upper jaw of the face? A mandible, B maxilla, C nasal bone, D femur. Answer is A maxilla. 185, which is the hardest bone in human body? A mandible, B zygomatic, C hyoid. The answer to that is the lower jaw bone or the mandible is definitely it's the hardest bone of the body for sure, and the strongest muscle we had read already. Just remember and write in the description box below, in the comment section, sorry. 186, which bone is called cheekbone? A zygomatic, B mandible, C nasal, D all of the above. Answer is A zygomatic bone, which forms the cheekbone. 187, which is the rarest bone to break? A vomer, B nasal, C hyoid, D all of the above. Answer is C hyoid, because it's not attached to another bone, that's why it's basically rarest to break. 188, which of the following is a floating bone? A hyoid, B nasal, C zygomatic. Hyoid, because it does not articulate with another bone, that's why it's a floating bone, it's called. 189, which bone forms the forehead? A frontal, B parietal, C occipital, D hyoid. Answer is A frontal. It's the frontal bone that forms the forehead. I've given a detailed diagram of the human skull. I hope you guys go through that. Next, 190, what is the other name for windpipe? A trachea, B esophagus, C alveoli, D all of the above. Answer is A trachea. 191, which is the longest muscle of human body? A sartorius, B deltoid, C gluteus, D all of the above. The answer is sartorius. From the outer thigh it goes to from on the outer thigh, from the outer pelvic region to the inner knee, it goes the longest muscle of humans. 192, which is the beauty bone? It's the clavicle or the collarbone. B scapula, C humerus. Okay, I gave the answer. It's given. It's the collar, the clavicle. It's the beauty bone. 193. Which of the following blood vessel cells are soldier of the human body? A WBC, B RBC, C platelets, D all of the above. The answer to this is obviously WBC. The WBC is rightly termed as the soldier. It defends the body. Immunity. 194, what is the main function of the small intestine? A nutrient absorption, enzyme production, C hormone production. Answer A nutrient absorption. 195, what is the weight of the adult human heart? A 150 to 250 gram, B 250 to 350 grams, C 350 to 450 grams, D all of the above. Answer is 250 to 350 grams. So the average human heart weighs between 250 to 350 grams in a fist size. 196, what is the weight of adult human brain? A 1300 to 1400 grams, B 1100 to 1300 grams, C 980 to 1100 grams. Answer A 13 to 1400 grams, or 3 pounds. That's the correct answer. 197, the smallest bone of the human body is in? A inner ear, B middle ear, C wrist, D brain. It's in the middle ear. Smallest bone is stapes. 98, 198, what is the thinnest bone in the body? Stapedius, sorry. A. Stapedius. B. Hyoid. C. Atlas. The thinnest is Stapedius. 199. What are the C1 and C2 cervical vertebrae? A. Atlas and Axis. What are they called? B is Adam's apple. C is Hyoid. D. All of the above. The answer is the C1 is called Atlas. C2 is called Axis. Atlaso-axis joint or pivotal joint. 200. Which is the type of joint between C1 and C2? A. It's a pivot joint. B. Fibrous joint. C. Ball and socket. A. Pivot joint.